Morning, guys. Today is Friday. Ano ba tayo? 31? Yeah, 31 of January. Friday, may pasok yung kids, of course. So, we're going to make breakfast. Hindi ako magluluto ng rice today. So, gagawa lang tayo ng sandwich. So, scrambled eggs. Ilang oras na ba? 6:05. So, mas ano ako dito magising, guys. Nung nakaraan sa duplex pa kami nakatira. I have to wake up like 5 or 5:20. But here, 5:55 yung gising ko. Kasi we are closer to Ashley's school. So, mas easy, mas fast. Hey, 6:05 na. Sige na, bakod na. Come on. Oh, wow. Getting ready? Ay, ano kasalog? First time yung batay sa'yo? Okay. Hindi. Pagkakita yung hindi alam ka. May akong alam ko kapag duties. Off ko sila na doon. Ako naman. Come on. Ang orange, yung orange hindi kinain ng bata. Agoy. Good morning, Ashley. Hi. We're sending Ashley to school. 7 in the morning, no, 6:57. Actually not need. Oh, tama. Like in the Philippines, like 6 in the morning, it's already like sunrise. But here, iba dito, guys. Yung sunrise nila 7 7 in the morning. Huh? No, it's January 31. Morning, Texas. Ha ha ha. Waiting for her boss. You're not. You look good. You look good. What did you say earlier? Seems like the school weekdays feels like 2 hours. We are back home. 8 in the morning, guys. 8 in the morning, and the kids went to school already. Anyway, so bumili kami kahapon sa Walmart ng Scotch Mount. Double-sided tape. Kasi itong bulb natin, guys, na-install ko na ito nung nakaraan. Merong few others na mali kasi ako sa paglagay, pagtapot. Yung bulb natin natanggal, ito natanggal. So, papalitan ko siya ng bagong double-sided tape para natin siya, para matapot na to siya properly. May nabili tayo sa Walmart yesterday, naka-clearance to, guys. And I was like, I'm gonna grab. Yeah, I grab it right away when I found out that it's only $5. Sabi ko, kunin ko na yan. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Bamboo frame. Like, yeah, bamboo frame. So I was planning on, like, yesterday, I was planning on putting this in the shower area sa mirror na side. Ilalagay ko siya, guys, because I went to different model house before we got this house. And I saw their toilet, yung mga toilet nila, yung mga shower nila, may kinakabit na picture frame. And I was like, wow, it looks so nice pala if you're gonna put some decorations in your shower area, like, sa my sink area, maglalagay ka ng mga picture frames, pictures. Wag lang yung mukha mo, of course. It's just like, whatever na, ganito yung mga, ganito na picture, yung ihahang mo doon. Gaganda yung, bathroom. Gaganda siya, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna put this today there. And then yung asawa ko sabi niya, wow, $5 lang. Like, yes, $5 lang. $5 from Walmart. See? Diba, sobrang worth it niya. I already tried this yesterday, pero hindi ako naglagay ng screw. I have to find the screw pa for this kasi It's a little bit heavy. Anyway, may papakita akong isa pa pala. I forgot to share with you guys. Yeah, I got something from Shein yesterday. This is free. Nakakuha na naman ako ng free item from Shein just playing the Puppy Keep. See, I got $30 free credit from Shein just playing the Puppy Keep. Hindi ako sure, did I say this? I think I said this before. Hindi ako sure kung it's working in the Philippines, ha? But yeah, it's working for me here in the US. It doesn't cost me, well, except if meron kang gustong bibilhin. But yeah, this is really working. Even if you just play, it's like I'll show you ha, ito. Right now, guys, tingnan nyo. Meron akong $30 credit that will credit to me when I finish playing this game. So, kailangan ko siyang 100. So, pag makomplete 100 ko siya, guys, just playing. I'm not paying just to play with this game. Yan, if you have Shein app in your phone, just try this one. It doesn't cost you. Just play, and then you will get something. So, you know, I got this. And then, meron pa akong tatlo item. So, I got this one. I got, kasi bumili ako na, well, Ma'am Ami gave me a long wallet. But then, sometimes kasi, guys, if I wanted to just carry small bag, hindi ko malalagay yung long wallet na binigay ni Ma'am Ami. So, I got this just for cards. So, kasi kailangan ko lang naman. Here in the US, I don't need cash if I go to the store. Kailangan ko lang ng card. So, I got this credit card here. And then I have cash here, like few cash lang in case na kami ng husband, like we stopped by thrift store and needed cash. So, meron akong cash dyan. But yeah, this one is really nice. And I got this one for like $1.20. Oh, diba? Walang brand yan, guys. It's just like something that I have to put my card. And it's free. It was $1 and something, but it was free because I got $30 credit from Shein. So, ito. I got this bag for free. It's so nice. Meron din to kasama na para ma-cross body bag mo siya. Meron siyang kasama, ano tawag nun? Ay, yung, I forgot. It's there in the closet. But yeah, this is blue. So I was like thinking the next time na makakuha ulit ako ng $30 credit, bibili or kukuha ako ng matchy heels for this bag. Kasi ang cute niya talaga. Ang cute niya talaga, guys. I love it talaga. You know, something about products like bags, for example, if hindi ka lang maabuso talaga when it comes to gamit, magstay longer talaga yan. Yung mga hardware niya, hindi yan magagasgas, hindi yan magde-discolor as long as you take good care of it. So, yeah, that's advice that if you're collecting some bags that are not expensive, that are not signature bag, that are not luxury bag, just make sure na you take good care of them. Like you have dust bag or you have something to put them in case you're not using them at all. Kasi yan yung ginagawa ko, guys. Even if this one is not a luxury, I made sure na hindi siya in abuse. Para yung hardware niya, it's still looking good. Diba? So, yeah. Again, ganito lang. In original price nito sa Shein, I think this one is $12. Oh, see? 12? 13? I cannot remember na. Pero, yeah. But I got this for free. Maganda siya. Oh. And then, naka-white ako. Oh, diba? White all. So, yeah. I'm gonna put it here. Kasi plan ko yan gagamitin pag lalabas kami ni Belle. And I can put a lot. Kasi marami akong malalagay. Malalagay ko rin tong camera. Meron akong Sony's. Yung phone, yung ating power bank. Yeah. Yung mga necessities when I go around stores or somewhere. So, malalagay ko siya dito. Which is really good. Worth it yung ating picture frame, guys. $5. This really makes me happy. Even if these are cheaps, but makes my bathroom beautiful, so it's nice.
There are things that artists, obviously, when a logic is coming, what they are looking for. They are looking for everybody doing.
My sister called.
Oh.
She was all set to come over here, and I said, "Look, I got an appointment those days. She was going to come visit." And I told her I'd send her the directions.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell her how to get here, and then of course Laura called, and
You can. iPhone has actually like. iPhone has this settings in the map that you can just share your location.
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So it will like. Well, if she had a smartphone, it will.
I don't think she does. I think she's just got a regular phone, and she don't know even. I don't know nothing, and she don't. And she
I
don't know.
understand that. My mom has the same problem. Like, what is
Okay.
this? What is this?
And she doesn't, know as much as I do.
Okay.
And so,
When is she coming over?
my sister, she's not going to come for a while. She had a doctor's appointment, and
Oh,
she
okay.
was going to come that day. But I told her, I said, you can still come. But Laura and them are coming that day too. And then I've got that appointment to go down to the rehab.
Yeah.
place.
As long as she let us know a day before she comes, so I can prepare
Oh, she
something.
will. Yeah. I doubt that she'll even come, but. Oh, thank you.
Hey guys, we are going to Walmart. May babalik kami sa Walmart. Binili namin kahapon. So my husband and I will be going to Walmart. Gagamitin ko na yung bag natin. Like from Shein. And then this sweater, or how do you call this one? Guess. You know. Nice. Very nice, no? Maroon. And then I'm just wearing ano ba tawag ito? I'm just wearing pants. Pants? Tama ba? Yan. And then mag-shoes lang ako, guys. And that's it. 4:41 p.m. Siya lang yung nantayin ko, guys. Kasi ready na ako. Well, ito yung ibabalik namin, guys. Oh. This one. Kasi nagpabili si ma'am kahapon ng cleaner ng carpet. But mali yung nakuha namin. So, we're gonna return it. And kasi yung resibo. Ayan. I need the receipt. Yung kagandahan talaga sa US is like parang anytime, pwede mo siyang ma-return yung mga item dito as long as you have the receipt. Yeah. Pero pag sa Pinas, di ba, like we are given 7 days. But here, anytime. As long as hindi mo hindi naman hindi nagalaw. As long as hindi mo ginamit, as long as hindi mo kanang giguba or whatever yung item. So, yeah, you can still return it. Okay. Oops. And then, meron kaming water hose din na binili kahapon sa Walmart. Which is, nag-video ba ako sa Walmart? I did not film in Walmart. Mahaba siya, guys. 30 meters. And na-realize namin ni Bill na hindi pala namin kailangan ng sobrang haba. Kasi kailangan namin ng water hose sa labas. Because I do clean the car. Hindi kami nagpapa-car wash. I did it myself. Ako yung naglilinis ng car. So, kailangan namin ng hose. Meron kaming isa, yung yellow-green. Pero kailangan din namin ng hose sa kabila. Kasi kailangan din namin like for example, if niliguan namin si Kali or may kailangan kaming lilinisan, so we need it. That's why kailangan namin ng hose din. Si other. Pero ibabalik namin siya today. Palitan namin ng ibang hose na shorter. Like siguro 15 meters is enough. The receipt of that, it's in the box. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo. Binili namin kahapon. Sobrang haba. This one, I'm sure it's dry already. We are outside the Walmart. This one, babe, oh. Here's your favorite. Come on. $10? Yeah, I think it's gonna grow big. Nakakita kami ng roses dito sa labas na to ng Walmart, guys. Here you go. Let me see.
Literally bringing water out of my nose.
Ayoko. This one is nice. You think? Oh my goodness. You can just like face against the light so it will dry.
Really?
I'm sorry. Why you did
You
go
don't sound
fast? I'm not sorry. This is nice. Oh my
So we're gonna
And
get
then-
rocking chairs.
And then this one. In Lowe's, this is only, that was 30 something. When we went to Lowe's, diba?
How much is it here?
I don't know, there's no price.
I think that they have one at
Lowe's nga, we found.
TSC.
Huh?
I don't know where.
Where?
TSC Tractor Supply.
Kung alam mo ng plano nito. Bike.
What do you think?
It should be like this. Okay, if you're gonna drive, I'll be at the back. I'm gonna be here. Ah, it doesn't. What? Are you allowed to drive that now? It's not. It seems like it's broken. Look, the handle plus the wheel. It's not like.
Supposed to be adjustable.
Huh? There's water. Oh, there's what? Ah, bugok.
You've obviously never owned a bicycle.
Wait, am I allowed to drive this?
It's a little tall for you.
What?
It says 5'2" to 5'10".
This is nice because the butt is big. I mean
There's a spider right there.
ah, where?
Right here.
I didn't see.
Right here.
Oh, I'm gonna put this back. No.
It's fine. I'm scared. Don't, babe, look at the kickstand.
I did.
No, because it's wrong. There you go.
Oh, wow, they have plants here too. We've been thinking about grill for a long time. Okay, since spring na, so it's not cold anymore. We can like go outside the backyard and eat. Oh,
You just want somebody else to cook for something.
wow. When did you cook? When? Tell me. When?
I do cook.
Last week? One time? Ha?
If you're complaining, then I won't cook for another month.
Oh, well, I'm used to it anyway. I'm the one who cook. Ako lang nagluto. Ako, me.
So, like, whenever I cook, you should just go, wow.
I'm surprised and I'm amazed whenever you cook. I'm like, oh, you must be in a mood today. You're cooking. But that's
Or
because
maybe
we are
sometimes
Filipino.
I just want my own cooking.
Oh, you don't like my cooking anymore?
Did I say that?
Nindot ni oh. Tara. Tara. This comb are for, this one is for mga curly hair. Curly hair. Curly.
Curly hair.
Curly hair.
Curly
This
hair.
one is good. Like when in the morning, when you wake up, when your hair are everywhere.
Okay. So what are you saying?
What am I saying? Is that this is good. Does it touch my hair? Maganda to, mura lang. The Tangos Nicole needs this one. Hey! Hey! Did you miss me? Did you miss me? No jumping. No jumping. You want something? You want something? I know you want something. Okay, I'll get you something. Still have snacks. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. No more. I'm sorry. No more na. I'll buy you next time, okay? Wala niya mo. I'm so sorry. No more na. Oh, it's empty. No more. Oy, dapat nag-check pa ikuhan. Sorry, Callie. We're gonna buy you next time when we go back to the store. Anyway, we are home from Walmart, guys. And we didn't buy a lot, of course, kasi last time nag-grocery na kami. But we got something as well. Nagpunta lang kami doon to replace and return yung mga nabili na hindi namin need. Like sa hose kanina, nabalik na namin yung hose. Bumili kami ng 50-foot na hose this time. And cheaper siya kesa sa yung nauna. But yeah, that's all I need. Kasi pang wash ko lang naman yun ng car. Anyway, we got pizza. And then, bumili akong avocado kasi may nakita akong salad online. And that girl was putting avocado sa salad niya. And I'm like, wonder if like I will be doing the same thing. And then, of course, meron tayong for the kids cookies. And then I got myself this cotton pad. Kasi meron akong tuner na CeraVe. Nabili namin yun sa Sam's ng nakaraan. And then I got this marble cake. As the favorite ko talaga to, guys. And then ano pang meron dito? I got this ground beef. And then I've got milk. This is for my husband. Kasi mahilig yun sa milk. And then meron akong 4 na onion. And then, I've got this sweet corn. Kasi magluluto ako ng steak, guys. Side dish na sweet corn. And meron tayo, bumili yung asawa ko ng cover. Sa microwave to, guys. Kasi every time na nag-i-eat or nagluto kami something sa microwave, wala akong cover. And then, you know, yung mga oil and everything, nag-splash. Sabi niya, nakita niya to. And then, it was like, oh, okay. So, mura lang to eh. Like, $2 lang ata. And then, this is for my husband as well. Body spray. Then, meron akong, ito guys. Freshen in space. So, maglalagay ako nito. Ilalagay ko to sa aming room and then sa CR ng kids. No, actually, I'm gonna put this sa aming toilet and then ilalagay ko din itong isa sa toilet ng mga bata para smells good. Gusto ko pang bumili ng maraming ganito. Magpapadala kaya ako sa Pinas ng ganito. No? Mabango siya, guys. Sobrang mabango talaga. Bili ako ulit ng empty bottle para sa ating vinegar. Kasi meron ako isa dito, guys. Oh. So, vinegar and sa ating toyo. Suklay yung kanina. Binili namin. Ito sa asawa ko to. And then, bumili akong cleaner ng ating mga refrigerator, microwave, at saka yung sack dito, pang clean ito. Oh, there's a school bus here. Ano yun? It's unfair. Oh my gosh. Oh, that takes...
They got the road blocked off down here, it looks like.
Yep. Well, it takes so much time. Oh, it just stopped. Where's the...
Hopefully.
Well, they are just on that side. I think we can...
No,
we're not allowed.
Can't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, bakit yung kay Nicole hindi papasok dito? My school bus. Ito pang, siguro to elementary, no? But anyway, yeah, we're picking up Yashli. Then we'll go to physical therapist. So if your kid is elementary, grade school, they will send you.
I don't know.
But if you are like middle, if you're middle school, mag-hike ka. It's very sunny today. Hot. Got back home from therapy today. Nag-stop over kami sa Goodwill, guys. Bumili ako nito kasi may ilalagay ko sa couch and then yeah, the same yung color but it's okay because I have the pillow cover na binili ko noon pa. So, that's fine. Sa thrift store, good. Sa thrift store namin binili. And then, meron akong picture frame here. Ano? What? What? You have assignment?
Nakoy drawing on din. Katong
Okay.
Man dito. Bas.
Uy! Basig nag-CR si daddy. Unya na, yash.
Man din ako bahaton, pero gusto mo na ako mahuman. Kaya, ano bahaton ka man, ano siya nga, pwede, nangutan ako kung pwede ba na ako daron, kaya kung answer na question.
Ayun.
Dahil sugot siya din. Pero wala na akong nadala ko.
Alam, tapos, buwang. What the?
Ako nadalang paper isa.
Guys, ito yung binili ko, guys. Nakita ko sa thrift store. Maganda.
Nakapakita.
Hala, bitapot. Where is it? From the wall siguro to gipatapot niya. But I'm gonna remove that one. Anyway, sobrang ganda niya. And they're just like, selling it for like $7, $6.99. This one too. So, dalawa sila. Maghahanap ako ng area kung saan ko to ilalagay. That's why nga, sobrang saya magpunta sa thrift store talaga kasi maraming mura ba. What do you want to say?
Gitid nilidi akong buhok.
Mag-pizza na tayo.
Mga talag kayo. You think you can hide from me?
I'm not hiding it from you. You're not allowed to eat it all. I'm telling you. I'm gonna bake this one. Okay, it's Pizza Friday night for us. So, pizza na lang yung dinner natin. What? 15 minutes bake. Before eating previously. So, instruction. Ilang minute ba to? 375 for 13 to 15 minutes. Wala, dagang cheese, which is good. Ang laki ng pizza. Here you go. This one. Diba? Ito yung binili namin nung nagpunta kaming Hobby Lobby. Ito yung binili ko kasi para it's easier for me to put this thing sa oven ba. Kaya noon kasi nahirapan ako. Tapos pag nagpipizza night kami, nagpipizza ako guys, mahirap siya ilagay. So, this one, diba? Easier this way. Anyway, that's, magaling, diba? Okay, let's do this. Who's gonna wash dishes? Ate? Okay. Tomorrow is a clean day. Of course, lagi naman. Araw-araw naman naglilinis. But, general cleaning talaga pag Saturday. Like, general, kasi mga kids andito. So, linisan ko muna to para sure. Yun. Yung asawa ko guys, nag-request ng ibang food. So, pagluluto ako, ito yung steak. So, nilagyan ko na to ng mga spices. So, lulutuin ko siya. And then, papakain ko sa asawa ko. Okay? And then, magluluto din tayo ng itlog. Of course, olive oil. Okay. Naya po na niya, Boy. Kaya naglantaw. Ay, nagkuhan ko. Grabe makakatawa si Nicolo. Parang walang bukas. Ready, get set. Pakayuhat at ito. Nilagyan ko na ito ng spices. Ayan, There you go. Ayun ang asawa ko kumain ng pizza. So, cheat day ko na naman ulit. Kasi kakain ako pizza for dinner. Magreklamo.
know how to cook this?
Yeah. That's cooked, babe. It is cooked. So, yung asawa ko, guys, mas prefer talaga niya yung meron pang konting mga dugo-dugo, something like that. Natuto na rin ako magluto. Thank you, YouTube talaga. Nanonood lang ako ng mga video just para makaluto ako ng maayos. Yeah. Let's go! Hala, nilapas na ni babe.
Oh, I said, why did you do that? Oh. Okay.
Pizza time! Come on na! Huh? Come on. You know how to slice a pizza?
Yeah, sila ka slices.
Oh.
Sila.
Wala ka rin video. Naku, din eh. Tubig. Nabili ng cellphone ni Daddy. Asa yung cellphone?
Dara.
Di na mao katong bago. Handa ka na niya gidala niya. Yung SIM card. He finished this one kay maura ba niya gahapon? Are you listening? Daddy nag-listen. What is this? Babe! Nicole got one. So anyway, yung pinya ko, kailangan ko na tong buksan kasi nag-yellow na siya. So I'm gonna open this. Sobrang green pa nito nung binili namin. And then now, kasaks man binili nung nakaraan. Oh. Oh my.